National Electrical Contractors Association, or NECA, offers a website at necanet.org. NECA provides a wide range of electrical training courses, including those on electrical system design, service, and load calculations. NECA has training centers located throughout the United States. The International Association of Electrical Inspectors, or IAEI, has a website at IAEI.org. IAEI offers training courses on electrical code compliance, including those on electrical system design and installation. The locations for IAEI include training centers located throughout the United States and Canada. The Electrical Training Institute, or ETI, offers a website at Electrical Training Institute.com. ETI offers a variety of electrical training courses, including those on electrical system design, troubleshooting, and maintenance. ETI has training centers located in California, Nevada, and Texas. The Independent Electrical Contractors, or IAEC, has a website at IAEC.org. IEC offers training courses on electrical safety, code compliance, and electrical system design. IEC has training centers located throughout the United States. The National Electrical Manufacturers Association, or NEMA, has a website at NEMA.org. NEMA offers training courses on electrical products and technologies, including those on electrical system design and installation. NEMA has training centers located throughout the United States. Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, has a website at UL.com. UL offers training courses on electrical safety and code compliance, including those on electrical system design and installation. UL has training centers located throughout the United States and Canada. When choosing a training provider, it is important to consider firstly, the reputation of the provider, secondly, the experience of the instructors, thirdly, the quality of the course materials, fourthly, the cost of the training, and fifthly, the location of the training.